Ever felt like your own phone number is the best kept secret on your Android? Let's crack that code in just a minute. First, we'll dive into your settings, the treasure trove of phone information. Look for the settings icon. It's usually a gear or cog. We'll tap on it to open up your phone settings menu. Now, scroll down until you find About Phone or sometimes About Device. Every Android phone is slightly different, but it's usually near the bottom of the settings list. Tap it. In the About Phone section, you might see your number right away. If not, look for something like status, SIM status, or SIM card status. Give that a tap. Voila! Your phone number should be listed here under My Phone Number, or something similar. It's that simple. Now, let's explore a second option. Another way to find your number is through your SIM card information. Head back to your home screen and locate your phone app. Usually, it's the icon you tap to make a call. Open the phone app and tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Find and select the settings option in the drop-down menu. Look for SIM card settings and tap to open, then find My Phone Number and tap it. Your number will be shown. If all else fails, there's always the good old-fashioned way: ask a friend. Send a quick text like, "Hey, can you tell me what my number is?" and you'll have your number in seconds. There you have it, 3 easy ways to find your phone number on your Android device. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks.